My piece is called Trio. It's the culmination of my exploration into electroacoustic music and improvisation. The question that I asked myself when I was composing this piece is it possible to teach a computer to improvise like a person? The piece was recorded for the Atmospheres festival on the day before the lockdown. I ran into college and recorded the whole thing myself. Normally it would be for 2 people, one of them at the piano and the other performing with their voice, but I took the leap to perform it all myself. I was incredibly excited with the result. The composer that inspires me the most is Helmut Lachenmann. He writes what is described as music concrete acoustic, which means that he's taking principles of electronic music and applying them to acoustic music. His music is all about the sounds that instruments make rather than the notes or the rhythm that they're producing. The thing that I'm most looking forward to about this year's Atmospheres Festival is the huge variety. There's music in the form of video, electronic installations, electroacoustic music and acoustic music for ensembles and orchestras.